LawDepot honest review and user experience style legal documents worth it? Let's face it, legal paperwork can be expensive, confusing and time-consuming. But what if you could create legally binding documents without hiring a lawyer? That's where LawDepot comes in. I've used it for multiple contracts and agreements, and here's my honest review. Most people think online legal templates are unreliable. But the surprising truth about LawDepot is that its forms are detailed, customizable, and tailored to your location and situation. When I created my first lease agreement, the site walked me through every section with simple questions, and the final document looked completely professional. LawDepot offers templates for just about everything: wills, business contracts, rental agreements, power of attorney forms, and even prenuptial agreements. Each one comes with guided steps that ensure you're filling it out correctly, even if you have zero legal background. What I liked most was how fast it was. I built a full legal document in under 10 minutes, downloaded it as a PDF, and it was ready to sign. The site even updates automatically with local laws, so you don't have to worry about outdated clauses. Pricing is flexible. You can pay per document or get a subscription for unlimited access, which is great if you need several forms throughout the year. The only downside? The free trial can be a bit confusing, since it automatically transitions into a paid plan if you don't cancel. But as long as you keep an eye on that, it's easy to manage. Overall, LawDepot is a practical, affordable solution for anyone who needs reliable legal documents fast. It won't replace an attorney for complex issues, but for everyday legal needs, it's a lifesaver.